Hey, what's up guys, it's Franklin Melo here, and right here in this video today, I am going to be sharing with you guys how I made over 2 million Naira in 30 days from Owodaily. Yeah, Owodaily is a simple platform where you can actually do simple jobs and you make money from. And guys, I've done a video around Owodaily earlier, and at that time, I was actually sharing with you guys how I hit 140k. Little did I know that the next part of the month will actually drive me up to over 2 million Naira. And yes, this is the video today, and I'm going to show you guys my proof right now, unlocking my phone because I use my phone to do every of the job I need to do here. And this is over 2.3 million Naira I've currently done on the platform. Guys, this is crazy, this is mind-blowing, and this is insane, and this is actually why I'm so excited making this video for you guys right now, so that if you actually flow through this video with me, watch everything I actually say and I do here step by step. I'm going to be exposing all of the secrets so that when you can actually apply everything I'm going to share with you guys can also get similar results like I have done, right? You can get similar results like I have done. That's exactly what I do on this channel here. I actually go ahead and implement all of those tips and tricks and strategies that will actually help you to make money online, and I come right back here on my channel and I share with you so that you can also apply the same strategy I've done and you can start getting similar results like I have. So right now it is we hitting multiple six figures on a simple platform in 30 days. How did it happen? How did it work? A whole lot of people actually roasted me in the previous video I did, and they said several things, but right here in this video I'm going to break everything down for you guys step by step and share with you guys in this video. One, the 3 ways you can actually earn a lot of money on Owodaily. 2, I will share with you guys how you can actually become a seller on the platform and make huge money from that very part. And 3, I'm going to show you guys how you can get into the competition to win a car from this platform. Yes, if you stay here, you're going to learn these 3 things, and without further ado, I'm going to jump straight into the video right now and show you guys all of this. If you love what I'm actually sharing right here, I'm going to go ahead and give this video a thumbs up. Just smash the thumbs up button right now, subscribe to the channel, and also smash on the bell icon so that you don't miss any of my videos. With this guys, I'm going to jump straight in. Awesome guys, so this is the Owodaily platform on my laptop screen right now, and you guys can basically see here it says make money working from home on Africa's fastest growing digital and affiliate network. This is no doubt the #1 fastest growing digital and affiliate network right now, and you can see that this particular platform is available in different countries, right? So many people around Africa can actually jump on the platform. If you're actually thinking what I'm thinking, you already see the big opportunity. Like there's a bigger opportunity for you to grow here and make a whole lot of money because it's beyond Nigeria, right? That's the first thing. It's beyond Nigeria. It's going and extending to other African countries, including Canada, UK, and a whole lot more, right? But the major thing here is me showing you how to make money on the platform, right? So the very first thing you actually want to do is to use my link, and I'm going to leave my link right down there for you guys to use in the description, and it is simply franklinemmanuel.com/Owodaily, right? franklinemmanuel.com/Owodaily. And when you use my link, I'm going to show you the difference between these 2 pages right now so that you make sure you use my link to jump on this platform. So when you actually use my link, you actually come in here and you see you have been invited by Franklin Emmanuel to join the Owodaily, a performance affiliate network. And this is exactly where it all starts from. Now I'm going to be showing you guys the 3 ways you can actually earn money from this very platform right now. So the very first one here is you becoming a member of the Owodaily platform. And here you can actually see starting with the membership plan, and you can get started with the membership and you become a digital worker, or you can also use the digital employer side. Now the digital worker is basically if you actually want to do little tasks on the Owodaily platform and you actually get paid, right? You get paid, and at the same time you can also get invite commissions and invite bonuses. Now this is the very first part of Owodaily. Now this actually costs just 3,000 Naira to get started with, and you can actually start with just paying 3,000 Naira platform. You have access to become a digital worker and also access to inviting other people to the platform, right? That's the first thing. So guys, you guys can see that one, it has a very low entry barrier. Like the price to actually even get started with something for yourself online using your phone is quite low, right? They've lowered it and you can actually get started as a member. But the next big thing here is the Owodaily Plus, and this Owodaily Plus actually gives you access to so much more, everything on the membership plan, but then you also have access to becoming a full affiliate on the platform. Now this gives you more features and more access to actually achieve more and make more money. Trust me, if I were to be on just the Owodaily membership plan alone, I wouldn't have hit 2 million Naira, but I had to go further to the plus plan, and this actually skyrocketed my sales and also gave me more opportunities to do so much more on the platform. right? So you would actually want to become a member first before you become an Owodaily Plus member. So it's gonna be adding up to 3,000 naira, and for the plus 10,000 naira, that is 13,000 naira for you to actually get started with this, right? So guys, let me just show you guys, a sneak peek of what is inside of this platform and how you can actually flow with it. So we are right in here into the website right now, and one of the basic things you can actually see is the fact that there are several jobs here. So you becoming a member gives you access to all of the digital works here, right? And these digital works are very, very simple and straightforward. Guys, we just actually have this kind of mindset that nothing is possible, and I'm going to really break it down to you guys. I'm going to really break everything down so that you don't even have all of those, limiting beliefs anymore. Now, most of this task here, okay, this one is from 100 naira, 10 naira, this one is 15 naira, this is 15 naira, but then you're looking at the money. I'm like, what is the task to be done, or what exactly are people actually asking for, and what is the time it's going to take you to actually complete this task, right? This simple task here is comment on an Instagram post, and it's like, it's going to take you less than 10 seconds to complete this task, and you're calculating how much you're going to be paid and all of those, right? So the simple thing here is, if you don't want this one, you can actually jump on other tasks like this one here that's going to pay you 750, or this one that's going to pay you 2,000 naira, or this one here that's going to pay you 500 naira for the task that you're going to do, right? So let's take, for instance, I'm going to pick up a job right now, and it says here, for this very simple platform, it says here, sign up and verify your email, right? And I'm going to click on this task right now, and once I apply, let it open up for me so that I can just show you guys, what it is. So coming over to this simple task, you can see here, click on sign up and verify your email, and there are instructions. Guys, you go through the instructions of this simple task, and once you've actually gone through the instruction on this simple task, you can go ahead and submit your proof, right? The next big thing here is making sure you submit your proof, and if you submit your proof properly, then you'll be rewarded. It's not instantly, because the person who actually is giving you this task also has to check, right? He has to check that you've actually done this task and can actually approve you that you've done this task, and then you will get your money right in your inbox. And this is the way you keep on growing. So the basic thing here is doing multiple tasks over a period of time. Do more. Don't say you don't have time. You're doing this with your smartphone, you do more, and you make a whole lot of money. Now, the second way you can actually make money from this simple platform is by inviting other people to this very space, right? One of the beauty of this simple platform is the fact that you come in here, you're doing jobs, you love what you do, and you can actually see the potential of making money. You invite other people, right? But this time we're saying, okay, instead of you inviting people to this platform, we're talking about us, and you don't get any reward. We're going to reward you for inviting other people, and that is why they actually have this referral system that you can actually get started with, and you get rewarded for every of the invites you do. So I can actually click on this very space right now where it says get invite link, and you can see it's copied to my clipboard already, and I can just go ahead and share this particular link to other people, right? Or I can also come down here, and you can see here, for every member I invite to the Owodaily platform that sign up as a member and pays 3,000 naira, I get 1,600 naira bonus, right? And at the same time, when they actually upgrade to the Owodaily Plus membership, I also get more bonus for that. But the thing here is, you can actually see your invite link here. You can copy this invite link you have here, copy the full thing, or you can just copy the shortened link, right? You can copy the shortened link here, and you can share this. Now, who do you share this to? One, you can actually share this to people who want to jump on the platform, right? There are people who actually want to make, simple money like you're making on the platform, or they're looking for an avenue to make money using their smartphone. Go ahead and invite them, bring them up to the platform, and let them also take on jobs, and they can actually start making money for themselves, or they can also jump on the referral system too and make money for themselves. And two, the next set of people that can actually get on board of this platform are people who also want to post works on the platform. They are digital employers. These are the people that will actually put up all of those jobs for you to be able to do and make money, right? Because sometimes, okay, you're like, oh, I come to the platform and there's less jobs to do. Yes, jobs won't wait for you. That's the thing, right? Jobs will not wait for you on the platform. People are on the platform 247, and they're actually taking on jobs that are available there, and nothing will wait for you because other people also want to make money too. So one of the basic things you can actually do is by jumping on inviting other people who can actually become digital employers, right? They come in here and they put up their jobs. And who can become a digital employer? If you're a social media manager, right, you can actually come in here and you can actually post your different works, get people that will actually take different tasks for you online, maybe comment on a post or like a post, or even grow a particular social media channel for your clients, right? Two, if you are a musician, you're someone that actually want to promote your music, or you actually want to trend, or you want to create a viral post, you can invite these people on board the platform, and they can actually get to promote their music. They can actually trend on the different social media platforms, and at the same time they can go viral, right? This is actually one of the things that Owodaily allows you to achieve. And at the same time, if you are a freelancer, you can sell IG reviews, you can sell IG followers, you can get more subscribers from the platform. Guys, we need to think outside of the box. There are a whole lot of things that you can do. If you don't work as a digital worker on the platform, you can become an employer and employ people to actually do simple tasks for you that would still help you grow. This is the digital age, this is the digital space. You don't need to be told everything, right? You just need to figure out how you can use traffic to make money. And yes, I just said that you can use the platform to drive a lot of traffic to any channel of your choice, because people are ready to take up on tasks, and as far as you can actually pay them, you can actually get them to do anything you want to do, and you make a lot of money, right? You make a lot of money for yourself, whether it's on the platform itself or outside the platform. The goal here is this is a simple channel, a vehicle that can actually help you achieve your dreams in the digital space. Right now, lastly guys, I'm going to be sharing with you guys how you can actually win a car using the simple platform. Right now, this is actually one of the sweetest one here, because right now I'm actually going to hit that particular goal of winning the car on the platform, and this is also something that is open to everybody. It's open to everybody, but right here, okay, let me just click on the link right now, win a car, so that this opens up on my screen and you guys can see. It says here, invite member to earn 1,600 Naira bonus, and also complete the Owodaily Plus milestone to win a car. Right, and you can actually see for me right here, forget my account balance, it's over 2 million already, but then my own milestone right now is to win a car. Scrolling down here, you can actually see win a car with the Owodaily Millionaire. Currently I have 241 active Owodaily Plus members on my invite list, just 241. But then I'm also looking at increasing this. My bonus commission is here. You can see it. You get 1.6 per invite, and also 200 Naira from your downlines. This is actually another cool thing, because your 200 Naira you're going to be getting, if you've invited quite a number of people and they invite other people, you get 200 Naira from each person that you actually invite. So this can actually be a way for you to make money even without doing anything at all, right? You also get a deposit commission and 3% bonus commission on your first deposit, all active invites, and also you are currently on the win a car contest, right? But for you to actually be on this contest, you have to also be on the Owodaily Plus plan, which will actually cost you 3,000 Naira as a member and also 10,000 Naira as a Plus member, right? Go ahead and make sure you use my link to get on this platform right now, so that you can start enjoying all of these benefits like I am currently doing, right? So you guys are really asking for payouts. How do these guys pay? These guys actually pay every Friday. Right, so for example, right now, I can actually go over to my wallet and I smash on the withdraw button. It brings me over to this withdrawal space here. And once I click on the button here, request withdrawal, I can request withdrawal of my funds, right? I request withdrawal of my fund, and on Friday, they get to pay me, right? That's a simple thing. They pay every Friday. So you do not need to, think about it. So you don't really need to, start second guessing if they actually pay out or if it's real, because I know you guys actually love money, and yes, I love money too, and you need the money you've actually worked for. So yes, they pay every Friday. So how am I making money via this platform? Like I've actually shared with you guys right now, I use all of the 3 methods to actually make money on the platform. And even outside the platform, that is the biggest thing here, because Owodaily has not just made me money on the platform, I've actually used this to pilot most of my other online business outside the platform, right? From me taking up on tasks on the platform to the referral side, and also getting people to do my jobs outside of the platform and making money both inside and outside of the platform. This is it, guys. This is basically how I've actually hit over 2 million Naira, and my goal, like I said, is to win the car, right? If I win the car, it's going to be a very cool one, but then the competition is open to everybody. We all can actually, jump right into the competition and then get to where we can also win the car for ourselves, and we'll become millionaires on the platform. This is just one of those many other platforms that can actually give you access to any money online using your smartphone. I showed you all of these things on my phone, and this is exactly what I actually use to take up on task, and I get huge rewards for that, right? So there are no excuses for you anymore. Just go ahead and get started with something. Click the link I have right down in the screen of this video and you can actually get access to the platform, right? Get started right now and make a lot of money for yourself. This is it for this video today, guys. I hope this was so interesting. If it is, tell me what you learned in the comment section below, and that you're going to be taking action like ASAP. At the same time, you give this a thumbs up right now, subscribe to my channel, smash on the bell icon so that you don't miss any of my videos. With this, guys, I'll be seeing my next video. Peace.